All right. So emotional freedom technique for stuck weight. Okay. So we'll tap at different points. Let me spotlight myself. So starting with, just a minute. Yeah. So we'll start with this point. This is called as a karate chop. We'll tap at this. As we are tapping, we have to say certain statements loudly, and then the top of the head, then the eyebrow center, then the side of the eyes, then under the eyes, then under the nose, above the chin, below the lower lip, then the collarbone, then the chest, then the armpit. Armpit is not exactly underarm, not armpit, below armpit at the bra line. You have to tap. And sometimes I may also ask you to tap here. Only if I ask you to tap, you can tap here. So these are the different points. Anyway, while doing the practice, I'll once again repeat each point. Okay. And you can also watch me and do. So say the statements loudly. Okay. I'll put everyone on mute so that without any difficulty, without any hesitation, you can say the statements. Start with the karate chop tapping. Even though my weight feels stuck and it's so frustrating, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm doing so much and the scale won't move, I choose to be gentle with myself as I find what works. Even though part of me fears this will never change, I'm open to releasing what's blocking my progress. This stuck feeling, you can either do it with both the hands or just one hand, two fingers. This stuck feeling, all this frustration in my body, I'm working hard and not seeing it. Maybe my body is holding on. Maybe it's water, stress, or safety. Part of me feels unsafe to change. Part of me doesn't trust this process. This heavy pressure to make the scale move, the memories of past diets that didn't work, fear that this will be the same story, all the tension from poor sleep and stress, my body doing its best to protect me. I see you, my protective body. Thank you for trying to keep me safe. And it's absolutely okay to feel this way. If this plateau is protection, I honor it. And I let go of what I no longer need. Releasing water I don't need. Releasing the stress that tells my body to hold. Releasing the belief nothing works for me. Allowing metabolism to feel safe and flexible. Allowing fat cells to let go gently. It's safe to be lighter, stronger, energized. I can lose weight and still be safe. I can be visible and still be safe. I can receive help and still be strong. My nervous system softens now. My breath tells my body we are okay. My breath tells my body we are okay. My body hears me. It's safe to progress. It's safe to progress. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out through your mouth. Every exhale releases what I don't need. One more deep breath in. Every exhale releases what I don't need. I nourish with protein and fiber. I move more without punishing myself. I get stronger each week. I sleep like it matters. I log honestly and kindly. You're tracking. Small, consistent steps are powerful. I know that. I trust data over drama. Today, I choose one leverage point, just one. It could be as small as 2000 steps or just 150 kilocalories, just one. I can do one thing well. I can do one thing well. Progressive overload builds my engine. Early dinner supports my rhythm. I hydrate and digest with ease. I celebrate non-scale wins. I am becoming consistent. I am a woman who finishes what she starts. I allow ease in my journey. I allow results to show up on their own time. I allow my body to feel safe while changing. I give myself permission to succeed. I give myself permission to release. I give myself permission to shine. I give myself permission to shine. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, go for Brahmari 3 times, and then again you will open your eyes. I'll tell you what you have to do. 3 times Brahmari. After completing 3 times Brahmari, gently look to the right, center, look to the left, center. Roll your eyes in a circle, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Again, go for 3 times Brahmari. This helps in integrating the left and right brain. Okay, right and left, you're done. Roll your eyes circle 3 times, anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 plus 3 times in circles. Then again Brahmari. Then after Brahmari, continue to keep your eyes closed. Rolling your eyes. Then again Brahmari. After completing 3 times, 3 rounds, turn your palms to the ceiling, keep your eyes closed. Calm body, clear mind, steady heart. wise choices, kind tracking, consistent movement, deep sleep, safe, steady fat loss. Always remember, it's not about what you see on the scale, it's beyond that. And you are still seeing results. Maybe you're just not aware of it. You are seeing results in a way that your strength has improved, your stress levels have come down. And look at your clothes, the size of your clothes are changing, are you're now fitting into a smaller sized clothes. Yeah, there are many things that are happening. Only that we are, just because we are focusing only on the scale, that we are not seeing the other things happening. So don't get demotivated only by looking at the scale. This is a reminder for you that weight loss is beyond this, right? With that understanding for today, gently bring your palms together, rub your palms, cup it on your eyes, blink open your eyes, looking at your palms. That's it. What is one important thing that you have to do now? Drink plenty of water. Yes, plenty of water. Right. Thank you.